I'm scared. I too had a lot of questions. But I put my reservations aside and thought about the best course of action. I'm not a doctor. My name is Colin Jenkins, and I'm an architect by profession. But I'm also a father of a little boy. And I'm also a son of an elderly mom. I'm a husband to a pharmacist who's assisting those people on the front line fighting this pandemic. I know what loss feels like. I had a dad, and I still remember what it feels like when I lost him. If there is anything that I can do that's going to prevent me from being on a ventilator, is the least I can do to fulfill my responsibility to my family, to take that best course of action. Vaccine saves lives.
This message is brought to you by the Ministry of Health, Wellness and the Environment.